Is your car shifting erratically or refusing to shift at all? A bad transmission control module, or TCM, could be the reason. In this video, we'll go over the common symptoms of a failing TCM and what you can do to fix it. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It really helps us bring you more useful videos. Symptom 1. Trouble shifting gears. One of the most common signs of a bad TCM is difficulty shifting gears. This could mean delayed shifts, gears not engaging properly, or the car being stuck in a single gear, like first or second. Symptom 2. Erratic shifting. A failing TCM can cause the transmission to shift at the wrong times or in unpredictable ways. If your car is shifting too early, too late, or skipping gears altogether, it's worth checking the module. Symptom 3. Stuck in limp mode. When the TCM detects a serious issue, it might put the car into limp mode to prevent further damage. In limp mode, the transmission won't shift beyond a specific gear, usually second or third, making driving difficult. Symptom 4. Poor fuel economy. Bad shifts caused by a failing TCM can hurt your fuel efficiency. If the transmission isn't shifting at the right time, your engine may rev higher than it should, burning more gas. Symptom 5. Slipping gears. A faulty TCM might cause the transmission to slip out of gear unexpectedly. This can make the car feel like it's losing power or struggling to accelerate, which is both frustrating and unsafe. Symptom 6. Transmission overheating. Erratic or improper shifting can cause the transmission to overheat. If you notice warning lights for the transmission temperature or the car feels unusually hot, the TCM could be a factor. Symptom 7. Check engine or transmission warning light. A bad TCM often triggers the check engine light or a specific transmission warning light. Scanning the vehicle with a diagnostic tool can reveal codes related to the transmission control module, confirming the issue. What causes a TCM to fail? The transmission control module can fail due to electrical issues, such as corroded connections or short circuits. Wear and tear, extreme heat, or software glitches can also damage the module over time. If the TCM is faulty, it may need to be reprogrammed or replaced. Be sure to check the wiring, connectors, and transmission fluid levels to rule out other potential causes before replacing the module. If you're stuck or have questions, drop them in the comments. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.